here's my review on the Masterbuilt Smoker. Simple to use, you just turn it on, you set your temperature right there. I've got it set for right at 250. I had it for 9 hours and it was really easy. You just turn it on, set the temperature, hold it down, bump it up. Super quick, I think. Set it for 250. Okay, set temp. Then we do time. I'm gonna go 3 hours. I'm gonna do like 3.5 more hours. Set time. Done. That's it, right? Best thing to do is leave that vent open. Here's my brisket. Looks freaking beautiful. First time opening it. Right? Beautiful brisket. Love this thing. Check it out. Simple. I went fishing today. And it was that simple. That's it.